Many people struggle with understanding money's true impact. Why do some individuals succeed financially while others do not? This tutorial dives into insights from Housel's book. We'll explore essential lessons about money psychology. The goal is to grasp financial behaviors and improve financial decisions. Let's start with key takeaway 1, money is emotional. Our feelings shape our financial choices. Recognizing this helps us gain clarity. Next, consider the importance of time. Wealth builds over time. Patience is crucial for financial growth. Now, focus on the concept of enough. Know what enough means for you. This understanding prevents unnecessary stress and greed. Another powerful idea is the role of luck and risk. Some successful stories involve luck. Acknowledge external factors beyond your control. Lastly, remember that everyone's financial journey is unique. Avoid comparisons that lead to negative feelings. Focus on your path to success. To summarize, recognize emotions, understand time, know enough, accept luck, and be unique. These insights can enhance your financial decisions. Now, take what you learned today. Apply these principles to your financial life. Start your journey toward better financial understanding today.